Yes, just like we are talking in this video, I told you, Love Ada Family TV is supporting marriage. What kind of marriage are we supporting? Man and woman. Go and first of all, fix tradition. Do a tradition and make sure that your dowry is being paid before going to courts. Yes. Then, after that, before going for church blessing or any kind, make sure you start from traditional. Love Ada is after marriages. Then, you know, I told you, the one you will hear that woman should marry man, and the woman will brag and sit down and say he marry 5 men, 3 men. I don't support that. What about you? Do you support it? Do you like it? Didn't it look somehow improper? And what happened these days is when people are doing things, they will tell you, I don't know, I don't want to care, I don't even read my comment section, I don't know what people are talking about. Please, if you are among the people that have that mentality that you're a woman, as a woman, maybe in the family there is no man, that you want to stay back and marry men, I want to tell you that it's not right. It's not right. Don't marry, a woman should not marry man. We don't, it's in our tradition. It's totally out of it. Woman, man will marry you. Man will leave his father and his mother and come to clutch without woman. That is how it's supposed to be. Even our forefathers. If when a family, they believe that they want to a woman, you see, the woman begin to do pium 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 from one place to another, just like I told you in the other video, which is not right. People insult you. People don't give you respect. For just having a husband over your head. Do you know what it is? You have full respect. People respect you even if that person has kolo. People still respect you. People still respect you for that, having a husband. And some people will say it doesn't mean that if you did not marry, that you don't have respect. I didn't say that. If husband you have not, you are waiting, or you are searching, it's a different issue. You have to search. Yes, you have to patiently search. Your own will come to you. But what I'm saying, a lot of people were standing out today saying they don't want to marry and they are not even ready. You will see a lady of 40 years, if you tell you that is not ready. When will the lady be ready? Woman time, they pass. There is be a time that you reach, you can no longer give birth. If it's a man who say no problem. That's the reason why you have to do what? Marry. Get married. And marry in a legal way. Husband and wife. And it should be man and woman. Make sure that person have done things proper. Don't say as a woman you want to marry a man. No. It's a wrong thing. Things our children don't know. Those things is the things we have come to teach them. Tell the children, because you have money, you have everything. Yes, you can feed that man. Doesn't mean that that man will turn to wife and you will become husband. No. You, with all your money and everything, you will humble yourself and also become submissive under this man. I know a lot of people will not like to share my video today. Share my video. When you come across my video, share this video, share it. The youths need to see it. Ourselves need to remember this. We are not just anyhow. Share the video.